So let's answer the worksheet logical. So this is our data for logical worksheet. And then this is the task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. So let's start with task 1. Calculate the fatality rate in cell D5 to D14 by dividing the confirmed deaths by the confirmed cases. So, meaning you're asked to what? Get the value of fatality rate here. Okay, to get the value of the fatality rate, you must divide confirmed death by confirmed cases. So, for example, here in D5, you must divide 7, okay, here, 7 divided by 82. And then you will get the fatality rate in D5. So, let us create a formula. So, press equal from your keyboard and then click this one, 7. So that is C5 and then divided by 82. So this is B5. Okay? So this is our formula, equal C5 / B5 and then press enter. Okay? So that is the answer. Now, the formula in D5 must be copied in D6 to D14. So to copy that one, you go to D5, cell D5, and then in the right side, lower corner of the cell, you will see plus sign. So click the mouse and then drag it down until D14. Okay, up to here, D14. And then after that, release the mouse. So you will see these are the answer in fatality rate. So that is task number 1. We go now task number 2. In task number 2, use nested if functions in E5 to E14 to show risk level. Use the if function as follows. So this is the formula, and then we will copy this formula in E5 to E14. Okay, so in risk level, where is risk level? Here. Okay, and then where is E5? So this one. So we're going to calculate the risk level from E5 to E14. Okay, so by applying the formula, the if function here. So instead of entering one by one, what we will do, we will copy. Okay? So to copy, Control C, and then to paste, Control V as in victory. So let us highlight first using your mouse, and then from your keyboard, Control C, and then go to E5. Okay? So this is cell E5, and then Control V as in victory for face. Okay? So again, let's do it. All right, and then Control C, and then E5, Control V. All right, so that is the formula, okay, or the answer. So this is our formula, and then this is the answer. The answer is E5 is high. Now, let us copy this formula, okay, in E6 to E14. So how? So go to E5, and then on the right side corner of the cell, lower part, you will see plus sign. Okay, click and then drag it down until E14. After that, release the mouse. So these are the answer. Okay? So the next task is number 3. Use if function in F5 to F14 to recommend an action if, okay, if E5, okay, equals very high. So if E5 become very high, so the recommended action is immediate response. So if E5 is high, so the recommended action is intensify surveillance. So if E5, so from here, okay, if E5 is moderate, okay, the recommendation is monitor closely. Otherwise, routine monitoring. Okay? So, recommended action must be based in this cell. Okay? So, E5 to E14. So, what we will do, we will copy again the given formula here. Okay? So, highlight. So, equal up to, okay, here. And then Control C to copy. And then click here, E5. And then Control V to paste. Okay, again. Let's do it again. So, copy. Okay, Control C. And then Control V as in victory. Okay. Now, the answer here is intensify surveillance. If the risk level is high, okay, the recommended action is intensify surveillance based here. Okay, if high, intensify surveillance. Okay, how about the other? Oh, for example, if moderate, if low, what is the recommended? So let us copy the formula. So from where? So this is F5. We will copy the formula. So this formula, so F6 to F14 from here. Okay? So how? Go to cell F5 and then in the lower part of the cell, okay, in the corner, so you will see a solid plus, click, and then drag it downward up to F14. After that, release the mouse. So these are the recommended action. If moderate, moderate closely. If low, routine monitoring. Okay? So based in this formula or in this condition. Okay? So the next task is apply percentage format to fatality rate. So where is fatality rate? So this is the fatality rate. So we will apply a percentage format here. Okay, from D5 to D14. So how? So you are in home tab and then number. So click this percentage. Alright, so now the format here is in percentage. So that is the task number 4 for logical worksheet.